Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 25th, and this is my analysis for gold, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, anyways, on gold, not a whole lot of price action today. I was saying this morning I would recommend shorts potentially if you are trading, the 1 hour time frame and below. I think we are either in a crutch into this wave up right here, meaning that this was possibly going to end up doing something like this and then continuing the higher time frame uptrend, or if it does keep on making, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and eventually goes down and breaks this low, that's what's going to tell us that this big giant wave three on the daily, weekly time frame is complete. As of right now, we have no reason to believe that that wave three is over. This could just be a pullback to here. If it does bounce from a fib level, if it does break structure to the upside at any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, then you better go back to being bearish because this is still an uptrend on the monthly, the weekly, the daily, 4 hour time frame. Even the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it is lower lows, lower highs, but that's pretty corrective looking. Maybe this is like an A, maybe it'll make like a way B and then down for a C and then back up again, continuing the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.